Welcome to Math 101, guys. So today, we're going to be learning about the cosine, sine, and tangents of an angle. So, can anybody tell me, what does the cosine or sine of an angle mean? No volunteers? Okay then. Today, we'll be learning about sine, cosine, and tangent of an angle. So, as you can see on the board, I've drawn a triangle. This is a right angle triangle, which is what we'll be experimenting our angles upon. So, suppose I call this angle theta. Okay? And now we can assign our sides arbitrary variables. Let this side be known as A, this side be known as B, and this side be known as C. So, what is a sine? A sine is basically the ratio of the opposite and the hypotenuse of a triangle. So basically, if this angle is theta, the sine would be B over C. So we can write down sine of theta equals B over C. Conversely, if this was theta, sine would be A over C. In every case, the angle which we are using is which we build our calculations upon. Next, we move on to cosine. The cosine of an angle is the adjacent to hypotenuse ratio. This ratio is simply defined similarly as sine, and for this triangle it is A over C. So we can write down cosine of theta equals A over C. The last trig principle that we'll be moving upon is tangent. Okay, so the tangent of an angle is the ratio between the opposite and the base, or the adjacent of the triangle. Conversely, in this diagram, since this is theta, the opposite is B, and the adjacent is A. So we can write down tangent of theta equals B over A. Thank you for the lesson. So, kids, do you understand?
Yeah, we understand this, but I've heard of something else.
What the heck is law of sine and law of cosine?
Now it gets real.
If you use law of sine, you'll never be called dumb. It can solve you problems that you never had before. Baby, take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got problems that my parents say you probably could solve. You, sine, sine, sine on you. Jumping by the whiteboard in math class. Don't know about science, but you will very soon. So say hello to the equation in 3, 2, math. A over sine of A equals B over sine of B. If you use law of sine, you'd never be called dumb. Always have that math book, you'll always solve in triangles. It can find the angle, side, and even the whole thing. If you use law of sine, you'd never be called dumb. Right now you are dumb. Cosine, know about that. It is freaking baller, or can I say triangular. It is very useful, especially in trig. It'll make you look smart in that 3. Bestie, cosine, cosine. You could use cosine. You could use cosine until the final. Law of cosine is so cool. Almost as cool as law of sine math 3. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2ab cosine C. If you use trigonometry, you'll never be called dumb. Keep you on my arm, girl. Always do my homework. I can give you triangles, any kind you want. If you use trigonometry, you'll never be called dumb. Now you are not dumb. So give it a chance, 'cause you're all I need, girl. Come to my house and do my homework. If you use trig, never leave you, girl. I just want an A on the final. If you use trigonometry, you'll never be called dumb. Keep you on my arm, girl. You will always do my homework. I can give you triangles, any kind you want. If you use trigonometry, you'll never be called dumb. You will never be dumb. Sine, 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 cosine. Sine, 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 trigonometry. Sine, 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 math 3. Sine, 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 if you use tangent.
To make things clear, law of cosine is used to find a given an unknown side length when you know this and you know this. So the equation would be c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. In the same case, law of sine is used in any given triangle ABC. The lengths of the sides are in proportion with the sines of the opposite angles. So this is in proportion with this. So we can say that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B.